Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to schedule posts on LinkedIn with the updated features. Whether you're managing your personal profile or a business page, scheduling posts can save you time and help keep your content flowing consistently. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. From the home screen, tap the plus post button. This is where you'll begin creating your content. You can write a text update, share an article, or add media like images, links, or even videos to make your post more engaging. Take a moment to craft a post that fits your goals, whether that's driving traffic, sharing insights, or highlighting a milestone. Once your post looks the way you want, here's the key step. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a clock icon. That's the scheduling option. Go ahead and tap it. This opens up the scheduler, where you can choose the exact date and time you'd like your post to go live. Think about when your audience is most active for the best engagement. Maybe mornings on weekdays, or afternoons depending on your network. After you select your preferred date and time, tap Next. LinkedIn will show you a quick review of the scheduled post. Double-check everything here: your content, the time, and the date. If everything looks perfect, tap Schedule to confirm. Now your post is ready, and will automatically publish at the time you set, without you having to come back and hit post manually. Using this scheduling feature not only saves you time, but also helps you stay consistent with your posting strategy. Instead of scrambling to post in real time, you can plan ahead, batch your content, and let LinkedIn handle the rest. And that's it. Scheduling posts on LinkedIn is really that simple. Open the app, create your post, tap the clock icon to set your date and time, and confirm with schedule. You'll have more control, stay consistent, and engage with your connections more effectively.